Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Phrases Hub. Today, we have a fun lesson asking for directions in the city. Imagine this. You are in a new city. You want to go somewhere. But oh no, you are lost. Don't worry. It happens to everyone, even me. In today's lesson, you will listen to a simple story. Two people meet in the city. One person is lost and needs help. The other person gives directions. Our goal is to learn how to ask for directions in English. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and don't be shy. This will help you practice speaking and understanding English. Are you ready? Let's begin our little adventure.
Excuse me. Hello.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I am lost.
Okay. Don't worry. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station.
The train station? Yes. It is near here.
Near here?
Yes, very close. Walk straight on this street.
Walk straight?
Yes, walk straight for 5 minutes.
Okay. Walk straight for 5 minutes.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left?
Yes, turn left. You will see a big supermarket.
A big supermarket. Okay.
The train station is across from the supermarket.
Across from the supermarket?
Yes, that means the train station is on the other side of the street.
Ah, across from the supermarket. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. Can I ask again?
Of course. Please repeat.
Walk straight for 5 minutes. Then turn left at the traffic light.
Good. Yes, that's right.
And the train station is across from the supermarket?
Excellent. You got it. Well done, my friends. You listened to this fun conversation. Now let's listen again. This time, the conversation will be a little faster, more natural, like real life. Don't worry if you don't catch every word. That's okay. This practice is very good for your English. Why? Because when you listen to faster English, you train your ears to understand real conversations. You improve your listening skills step by step, and you learn new vocabulary and phrases in a natural way. So just relax, listen carefully, and try to understand the main idea. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Excuse me. Hello.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I am lost.
Okay. Don't worry. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station.
The train station? Yes, it is near here.
Near here?
Yes, very close. Walk straight on this street.
Walk straight?
Yes, walk straight for 5 minutes.
Okay. Walk straight for 5 minutes.
Then, turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left?
Yes, turn left. You will see a big supermarket.
A big supermarket. Okay.
The train station is across from the supermarket.
Across from the supermarket?
Yes, that means the train station is on the other side of the street.
Ah, across from the supermarket. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, can I ask again?
Of course. Please repeat.
Walk straight for 5 minutes, then turn left at the traffic light.
Good. Yes, that's right.
And the train station is across from the supermarket.
Excellent. You got it. Well done, my friends. You listened to the story 2 times. First slowly, and then a little faster. That's excellent practice for your ears. Now, let's take some useful phrases from the dialogue. We will practice them together. Here's how we do it. I will say the phrase slowly. You repeat after me. Then, I will explain when you can use it. Ready? Let's begin. Excuse me. Hello? Say it again. Excuse me. Hello? This is used to start talking to someone politely in the street, shop, or station. Can I help you? Repeat after me. Can I help you? Say this when you see someone who looks lost or confused. I am lost. Say it with me. I am lost. Use this when you don't know where you are or how to go somewhere. Where do you want to go? Repeat slowly. Where do you want to go? This is a question we ask someone who needs directions. I want to go to the train station. Repeat. I want to go to the train station. Use this to say the place you are looking for. You can change the train station to the bank, the bus stop, or any place. Walk straight on this street. Repeat slowly. Walk straight on this street. This means do not turn left or right. Just go forward. Turn left at the traffic light. Say it again. Turn left at the traffic light. This means when you reach the traffic light, go left. You will see a big supermarket. Repeat after me. You will see a big supermarket. This phrase helps the listener look for a sign or landmark on the way. The train station is across from the supermarket. Repeat slowly. The train station is across from the supermarket. Across from means on the other side of the street, facing the supermarket. Excuse me? Can I ask again? Repeat. Excuse me? Can I ask again? Use this when you want to check the directions one more time. It's a polite way to repeat and make sure you understood correctly. Well done, my friends. Today you learned how to ask for directions in English. You listened to the story, practiced the phrases, and now you know what to say if you get lost in a city. Remember, listen many times. Repeat the phrases out loud and try to use them in real life. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Thank you for learning with me today. I'm so proud of you. See you in the next lesson here on English Phrases Hub. Bye-bye and have a wonderful day.